First of all, on your iPhone, you have to install the GarageBand app. To get the app, go to your App Store and simply search here GarageBand, and this is a free app. All you have to need install this GarageBand app. Once the app installed, now I'm going to my files, and here we can see custom music. Okay, now I'll set this custom music to my iPhone ringtone. So go to your GarageBand app, and once you are here, once you open the GarageBand app on your iPhone for the first time, you will get this interface. Here just swipe to the left side until you see this audio recorder. Now just tap on audio recorder, and here we can see a little icon. So make sure to disable this icon. Make sure it's white. It means it's disabled. And after that, just click on this icon to enable FX mode. And now we have to insert the music here. To do that, just tap on this icon at the top right corner, and here select files. Now all you have to need, tap on browse items from the files app, and now go ahead and select the custom music or song from your files app. So in my case, this is the song. Once the song added, just hard press on the song and add the song in this timeline, just like so. Once added, again hard press on the song, and now you can easily crop the music using this handle, just like so. Once you are happy, now it's time to export the song. So tap on this icon, tap on my songs, and now here we can see the song or audio is exporting. It may take some moments to export the audio on your files app. Once successfully exported, now just hard press on the song, and here tap on rename, and you can change the rename of this song. Now hard press on the music, and here just tap on share, and share song. Choose a format for my song. Just select here ringtone and tap on export, and here you can see the song is exporting as ringtone. Once successfully exported, now I'm going to my iPhone settings app, and here I'm tapping on sounds and haptics and tapping on ringtone, and here we can see the song has been successfully added to my ringtone list. So this is how we will be able to easily set a custom ringtone on our iPhone for free.